Can you zip a file from the command prompt using only Windows' built-in capability to zip files? I have a batch file that outputs a text file. I thought it would be nice if I could zip it up too. This will be used in an uncontrolled environment, so I can't make assumptions about the presence of third-party software products such as 7-zip, etc. This needs to use Windows' now built-in capability to zip files.
Here is an all-batch file solution, a variation of my other answer, that will zip a file named C:UE_English.txt and put it in C:\bar. Write access is required to the parent of the folder stored in tempdir. As this is often not the case for the root of drive C, tempdir may have to be changed. Write access is also required for the folder the .bat script is in, as it generates a file there. Also, please note that the file extension for the compressed file must be .zip. Attempts to use another extension may result in a script error. Instead, generate the .zip file and rename it.
It is possible to zip files without installation of any additional software. I have tested it. The solution is: run this in a command line window to create a zip file named C:\sumarchive.zip, containing all files in folder C:\test3. Where file zip.vbs contains I haven't tested it for paths and file names containing spaces. It may work if quotes are put around the command line parameters. How it works: the built-in zip functionality in Windows, Windows XP and later, is exposed through COM interfaces from the Windows shell, Explorer.exe, that is the shell.application part. This COM interface can be used from a script because such a script can access COM components. To make the script fully self-contained, it creates an empty zip file to get started. One could also create an empty zip file and copy it to the target system along with the script. The script has been installed by default in every desktop release of Microsoft Windows since Windows 98. Script.exe is part of Windows Script Host. Windows Script Host is distributed and installed by default on Windows 98 and later versions of Windows. It is also installed if Internet Explorer 5, or a later version, is installed.
Windows 10 build 17063 or later is bundled with tar.x, which is capable of working with zip files from the command line, or to create a zip archive.
If you are open to using PowerShell, zip capabilities are available in Net 2.0, PowerShell is Net. Here's an example. Source, credit to Mike Hodnick.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.